Dear students, welcome to our class Environmental Science. In the previous class we discussed about hygienic conditions. What is a hygiene? The term hygiene refers to the maintaining of healthy and cleanliness. And what are the methods that we follow to maintain the cleanliness? We have already discussed. In this section, I am going to explain about diseases and their causes. What are that? Diseases. And then causes. What is a disease? What is a disease? A illness or incapableness. Illness or when we fall ill. That is the disease. The term disease refers to which part of the body is not working properly over a period of time. That is a disease. Do you understand? Disease refers to which part of the body is not working for a long time, over a long time, not working off. So, not proper functioning of a body part over a long period, over a long time, that considered as the disease. The term disease refers to which part of the body. Okay, na? Which part of the body is not proper functioning over a period of time. There are so many reasons for diseases. One is lack of balanced diet. Lack of balanced diet. Lack of balanced diet, lack of exercise, lack of rest, and poor health. Okay, lack of balanced diet, lack of exercise, lack of rest, and poor health, and not have the food nutritious. Okay, na? So these are the reasons for the causing of diseases. So the diseases are two types. One is non-communicable diseases. Communicable diseases. First I will explain about non-communicable diseases. What is a non-communicable disease? The diseases which are not spread from one person to another person. The diseases which are not spread from one person to another person is considered as non-communicable diseases. These diseases caused because of lack of balanced diet, lack of exercise, and low nutrients that present in the food. This causes diseases in the body. So the non-communicable diseases may not spread. They may not spread from one person to another person. They spread because of the lack of nutrients in the food, lack of the exercise, lack of the rest, proper rest. So the examples for non-communicable diseases are scurvy, rickets, goiter. So these are the examples. So in the disease of scurvy, we can notice that the gums are bleeding. Gums are bleeding. దవడలు ఉన్నాయి కదా పళ్ళు చిగుళ్ళు ఆ చిగుళ్ళ దగ్గర రక్తం కారుతూ ఉంటుంది. గమ్స్ ఆర్ బ్లీడింగ్ అండ్ teeth are fall out. So these are some of the symptoms that we have seen in the scurvy. So scurvy is caused by lack of the vitamin C. So vitamins which are present in the food, they are very important. Okay. The vitamins are very important. I already told you that non-communicable diseases are because of the lack of balanced diet. Lack of balanced diet, lack of nutrients, the proper rich nutrients in the food. So, what is a balanced diet? The food which contains the adequate amount of nutrients like carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins and fats. So here, lack of the vitamins, it causes the scurvy disease. The next one is scurvy. It causes rickets. It causes because of vitamin D. Okay. So vitamin D, the legs are bent. That means doddi kaalu antam kada telugulo ala. Okay? So irregular shape of legs will come. That means legs are bent and whiter, swelling on the neck. Okay na? So these all are the reasons. Okay, these are non-communicable diseases. The next one is communicable diseases. What are communicable diseases? The communicable diseases means which spread through the contact. By spreading it from one person to another person, like our COVID. Okay, so the communicable diseases which spread from one person to another person. You understand? So what are the type of diseases? Example are typhoid, common cold, malaria, etc. So these are examples for communicable diseases. They spread from one person to another person through the contact. Yes or no? So typhoid, common cold and malaria. So especially how they are passing from one person to another person. ఒక వ్యక్తి నుంచి మరో వ్యక్తికి ఎలా వెళ్తాయి? Through the germs. These communicable diseases are spread through the germs or infected person or infected areas. Do you understand? If we keep that infected person or the infected person away from the people, we can prevent ourselves from these communicable diseases. So typhoid, common cold and malaria, cough, sneezes, vomits, urination, these all are spreading these communicable diseases. Do you understand? How do we protect ourselves from these diseases? So, to maintain the only hygienic conditions, we can prevent ourselves from these diseases. Do you understand? We can prevent ourselves from these diseases. The first one is maintaining the hygienic conditions in our surroundings. Next one is keep the places or the persons which are infected by the germs. Okay, keep the persons or places which are infected by the germs or infections. Keep away from the places. And keep your all the personal utensils are the personal items like handkerchiefs, towels, underwears, okay, brushes, soaps, everything should be clean. Okay, so diseases can be prevented like this. When we keep away the person from that area, we can prevent ourselves from these communicable diseases. Okay, so the next one is vaccination. To overcome from these diseases, the doctors prescribe tablets or injections or syrups. Yes or no? So they all are antibiotics which helps to fight with the disease-causing organism in the body. Here is vaccination. What is a vaccination? Vaccination is a process that is given to the human or animal to prevent the attacking of disease-causing microorganisms. Okay. వ్యాధి కలిగించే జీవులు అటాక్ చేయకుండా ఉండడానికి వ్యాక్సినేషన్ ఇస్తారు. In your childhood also you have already taken the polio drops. You all have the polio vaccination on your shoulders. or oral polio drops also is there. What is the purpose of giving the polio vaccine? To eradicate the polio. Okay, now to make the polio free country or polio free society. Yes or no? So vaccination is the process that give to people or animals. Okay, na? Through a vaccination. The vaccination protects the body for a longer period of time or throughout their life from these diseases. Okay, so among these all, which one is better to maintain the healthy and hygienic conditions is very better to keep ourselves away from these diseases. Okay, dear students, have the bath regularly with a mild soap. Okay, have a bath with soap and wash away the germs and dust away from the body. Trim your nails regularly. Once in a week or once in 10 days, regularly trim your nails, finger nails, because when you play in the dirt or dust, or if you keep your hands on the other way, because microorganisms are present everywhere, they enter into your body, this damages your health. Okay? Next one. Wash your hands after every time coming out of the toilet. Before eating anything, wash your hands. Brush your teeth morning when you wake up from the bed and going to the bed at night time. So these all are the methods that you keep you healthy and hygiene. Okay? Dear students, remember these points and follow in your daily life. Thank you. Thank you very much.